Alright people, I just went as a crazy man to the store, to the gas station, because the gas wasn't working here, with a makeshift connection, plus pole, minus pole, to my setup of my diesel heater, that came from Belgium but originally comes from China. It is turning on now. I hear the fan. I hear that this thing is running, obviously this way. It seems to be running for 1 minute, and yeah, it's doing something. The fuel, that wasn't very smart, I just stood on wires. The fuel should be going through there. The fuel, let's put the fuel back. It's not ideal, obviously, it's a bit makeshift, but I want to see if it works. The fuel is pumping, and it's supposed to go through here. I don't see anything happening yet, and it goes in here, and then it should be going through here, then it should work. The hot air should be coming out here. Well, oh, I'm standing again on the wires, which isn't so smart. Two minutes, it's on. I got 2 bars somehow that are on. Right. Do I see any fuel coming through that wire yet? No. Tube, not wire. I don't see any fuel coming through the tube. So there's also no fuel in the fuel filter, which I think would need better to be upside down. So something like this. But oh well, if it's not even sucking the air through. Okay. Scary. It's a monster. By the way, this battery, I don't know how good this battery is, so... some nasty stuff comes out here. I'm gonna close this. I'll be right back. It's not yet hot, so let's move this a little bit to the outside. I don't know if my fender will be happy. Okay, we'll go here. But I don't see any fuel yet in here. So I don't know how long it takes to start up this thing. It's a bit boring. Okay, I'll be right back, because this is gonna take a long time.